Hi, this is Trifonas Papadopoulos. Today I'm gonna show you how to create image drop-downs in Excel using VBA. You're gonna be also using VLOOKUP to get a description, price and category from a product list. So let's see what we have here. We have a sheet called sheet 1 and another sheet called images. On sheet images you will find all the images we will use for this tutorial. So we have image 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we press Alt F10, you can see that each of them has a name, P1 up to P5. So if we go again to sheet 1 and we go here and we change to P2, we see that the image also changes. When we choose to P3, the image again changes. 4 and P5. So in order to do that, you need to create a data list here, list and source P1 to P5. Okay, then you have to use this private sub on sheet 1 and also create a module named dropdown with this code. Okay, you should also name this cell image dropdown. Now if we delete this and we go here and we copy this VLOOKUP, and we place it here, we get the results we want. So for P5 we go, its description P5 22 smartphone. If we change it to P4, there we are again. If you find this tutorial useful, please subscribe. Thank you very much.